everyone, this is Muskan Raj. Today I am here to share my second task, that is prediction using unsupervised machine learning. Here we are asked to predict the optimum number of clusters and represent it visually from the given ARIES dataset, that is as follows. So first of all I am importing the required libraries, that is NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib.pplot and K-means cluster, K-means from sklearn.cluster. Now comes the loading part. Here I am importing data from the given URL, and to check whether the data is imported successfully or not, I am printing the first 5 elements of the data using df.head. Now to get the number of rows and column, I am using df.save. Here we can see number of rows equal to 150 and number of columns equal to 6. And here I am printing information of data, and from this information we can see that there are 150 entries and there are 4 float values, 1 int value and 1 object value. And now for the description of data, with the help of df.describe we are getting the description, and from this description we can see that there are total 150 values, and from this mean we can observe that the sepal length is larger than rest of the given data. And now comes the species. Actually I am checking the total how many types of species are present in this data set, and from this we can see that there are 3 types of species, that is ARIES versicolor, setosa and virginica. Now to dive deep into the data set, I am creating 3 data frames for each species, which is as follows. This is for setosa, then comes versicolor and then virginica. Now to check is there any null value are present or not, I am using df.isNull.sum, and since we can see there is no null value, we can proceed further. And to be precise in the data set, I am dropping the column ID as there is no further use of it. Now comes the visualization part. I am using Seaborn pair plot to visualize the data, and since we can observe this data through this graph, we can see that almost the versicolor and virginica are overlapping each other, while the setosa is completely different from rest two, and still the versicolor and virginica are separable. Now comes the clustering part. For clustering we will need optimal number, so that we to apply K-means clustering, and to get that first I am dividing the data in order to fit it, and then using the elbow method I am determining the optimal number. And since we can see why it got the elbow name as elbow method, as it is forming a graph like elbow, and we can observe through this graph that at this point, that is at 3, there is a drastic change. So we can consider number of cluster will be equal to 3. Now using the value as a 3, I am implementing the K-means clustering, and after that we got this graph as a result, and from this we can see that this orange color one represent the versicolor, green color one as a virginica, and this blue color shows the setosa, while this yellow dot shows the centroid of each dataset, and through this we can understand the dataset properly. Thank you.